Y'all, look at this one. Get the outskirts of it. This is crazy. What? This could literally be a whole house. Now the thing about this one, $54,589 a month. So let's get upstairs. Like, look at this staircase. Great. Like, this don't even feel like a shed. This feel like a mini home. Oh, they got bugs. Oh, you can literally put two bedrooms and a bathroom up this mother sucker. This thing is huge. This is crazy. I like.